Time healing from a toxic relationship is not easy, as your body and mind drains energy for suffering toxicity. You may have friends or families around you. Or you have just moved to another city or house to avoid a bad guy's pursuit. Without anybody's help. You are going to get hurt and blame yourself for internal conflicts. In part 1, Angel shared some steps beginning the healing process. By awareness of what you've been through. In part 2, you will continue some next steps that you must rebuild your life. Remain the same. You should go through in order for the best result. Step 5. Put your well-being first place. All of the support from other people will be meaningless if your impulse is not powerful enough to make a transformation. Finding peace after a toxic relationship is to discover purpose in your life with demand from within, your true self or mission to this life. This is the time to be selfish by putting your well-being first place. You come back to your inner self to make a friend with yourself or talk to yourself as much as possible until you truly live with your emotion each moment. Don't be trapped to require the pattern of well-being outside or continue dating a new man to fill the gap in your heart. Before watching next, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to be the first to see the next videos. Step 6. Make a normal day with good habit. Doing both at the same time is to view the big picture with your life purpose and practice with small steps, which create a normal day with good habits. Some references that you can start right now quickly and simply. Do exercise. Spend all your time in the early morning to enjoy quiet. About 5 to 7 a.m. daily. You can try some physical or mental activities. Physical activities are to take part in activities such as workout, walking, or kickboxing. Your body becomes warm and cheery. It has a main impact on the muscle. Mental activities such as doing yoga or meditation. These help you hold and observe what goes on in your head and control your breath, which trains your mind to slow down, relax, and stay positive. To supply nutrition. Don't complex the menu. It's simple to choose food, cook meals, and save money without leftovers. You can refer to Eat Clean style based on eating anything with less heat and following nature. Make a plan. You can make a whole for life, a 5-year or 10-year plan, or set up a target day or month. Whatever you want. No matter what you choose, you have to sit down and create drafts. Don't put ideas aside. Following the plan and doing it strictly until it is completed. To sleep better. To mention 2 aspects of sleep: quality and quantity. Sleep quality is the measurement of how well you're sleeping. Max restriction with negative thoughts that make it hard to fall asleep. Having a nightmare or dream which makes you feel anxiety, leading to not good for a new day. Sleep quantity is advised that healthy adults need between 7 to 9 hours sleep per night, hence it depends on your job or personal activities. We suggest that 10 p.m. is good to sleep deeply to make sure that internal organs will work well for the process of elimination and metabolism. No matter what you set in your plan daily, it is important you make it as routine. Step 7. Open heart to learn. Let's enjoy new things like children that are filled with zest and delight. You no longer fear anything. Your job is to collect useful information from our channel, treatment from experts, or another resource, and choose the things that are right the most for you. The last one, make ordinary things interesting every day. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel to get more value.